Today our topic of discussion is CSS 2017 past paper. So we will discuss the idioms that were asked in CSS 2017 paper. So our first first idiom, as you see on the screen, our first idiom was spirit away. Spirit away means to hide or to abduct someone. Okay, nowadays the issue of spirit away the children, young children, is increasing in Pakistan. Spirit away means to hide or to conceal, or you can say to hide or to abduct someone. So that was another MCQ, idiom that was asked. Plow back. Plow back means to reinvest. If you are earning something from investment and you are reinvesting that amount of money into any other project, means you are plowing back. Okay, means you are plowing back. So this is the idiomic meaning of this idiom. Okay, eager beaver. Third idiom was asked, eager beaver. Eager beaver means one who is industrious and enthusiastic. Okay, enthusiastic or hardworking. A person who is hardworking. For example, give this project to that girl. Give this project to that girl because she is eager beaver. She is eager beaver. Eager beaver means she is hardworking. She is enthusiastic. So this is the meaning of the idiom. Okay. So another idiom that was asked was a ring a bell. Ring a bell, as you see on the screen. Ring a bell means to something that sounds familiar, means to remind someone. Okay, I forgot about the applying in CSS 2021. So my friend rang a bell to me. So it was asked, be left holding the baby. Be left holding the baby means if you are left holding the baby, means you are giving her some responsibility. Okay, I was giving a baby of a new company, or holding the baby for a new company means I was giving the responsibility Eastern Apple investment activity, and I was left, see the example, and I was left holding the baby. So this was the idiom. Another idiom that was asked, cap in the hand. Cap in hand, you see on the screen, cap in hand. Cap in hand means humbly asking for favor, humbly requesting someone. Okay, for example, our Pakistani politicians always keep cap in their hand to go for IMF, to go for World Bank, or to go America or other prosperous countries, developed nations. Okay, cap in a hand means you are asking for favor for something. So next was hold out a carrot. Hold out carrot means incite by offering someone. For example, my brother was not working, he was not doing his homework completely. So I hold out a carrot for him, means I entice him to complete the task for an advantage. I said that I would give him a bike, I would give him a mobile if he finishes his homework. So entice a person by giving an offer. So this is the meaning of the idiom. The final idiom that was asked in 2017 paper, that was over the moon. Okay, over the moon means extremely happy. If you are extremely happy, means you are over the moon. For example, most of the candidates feel over the moon when they qualify CSS papers, CSS written exam. They feel over the moon. They feel over the moon means they feel extremely happy. So this is the meaning of the idiom, and the example you see on the screen as well. So this was the past paper 2017. Hope you got the idioms correctly, and if you don't still have any question regarding the idioms, you may comment on the screen below. and let me know and subscribe the channel. We will meet to another video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.